Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie meringue. Start by separating eggs, preheating the oven to 325 degrees F, and ensuring all tools are spotless, no yolk in the whites. Beat whites until soft peaks form, then gradually add sugar until glossy and firm. Fold gently into cooled pie filling or pipe peaks onto the crust. Bake gently until golden, then cool slowly to avoid weeping and cracking. Whisking technique controls texture and stability in meringue, so take your time. Start at medium speed to build foam, then increase speed while adding sugar slowly to ensure it dissolves and the mix becomes glossy. Aim for stiff peaks without drying the whites. Overbeating causes grainy texture. For Swiss or Italian meringue, use a warm sugar syrup or hot water bath to create a silkier, more stable topping for warmer climates or humid kitchens. Baking meringue needs patience and control to avoid collapse and weeping. Use low heat or a water bath depending on recipe, and remove when peaks are set and lightly golden. Allow the pie to cool in the oven with the door cracked or on the counter to prevent sudden temperature change. If you need color, use a culinary torch or a brief high-heat blast just before serving to create beautiful, toasted peaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.